So just a video of different pictures and everything of the 71 Nova. All these are back from 2018, October to December. There's the floor pan. Somebody just welded a sheet on. Had to chisel that one off, weld some new ones in. This video is really just scrapped together because I never knew I was going to make a YouTube channel to have any sort of memories of me and my dad doing all this stuff together. So like I said, again, I'm not going to edit any of this video. You can just watch and see. We put new disc brakes, power disc brakes on the front, control arms, painted everything POR-15 that we could. Kind of just a cheap restoration. Again, paid $5,000 for the Nova, so you can see where I just took all the original parts and just sanded them down and painted them as good as I could to get it look decent, rather than spend a lot of money on it. And again, you know, it's done now. The car mainly is, so there'll be some videos of showing what it looks like later on when it's painted and all the good stuff is done. Yeah, there was our new floor pan you can see in the front, and so at least it's in good shape now. Like a new wheel well. Solid back here, just dirty. That side's still dirty. Should have got my drink. Metal shading on my foot. So everything was hauled to the storage. Well, some Black Friday stuff. POR-15 without POR-15. It's amazing. There you go. Does everything look like that? No, it looks like this. You can see a few of the spots in it. I think if I sand it down and do it again, it'll look a little bit better. But it actually looks pretty good. A lot better than that rust look. Unless you like the rust look, which is fine. Can't see, but new floor panels welded in. Oh, that's terrible. 55. Clean floor. I have to get a better video of that. And of course the wife's car. Another 354 bolt will hopefully work on. More Black Friday at Home Depot. Oh, I'm about to run into the motor. cleaned out all the garage. Got me a heater. 57 in the morning, be 74 in about an hour and a half. This wheel well sanded it down. POR-15 it. Gotta put another coat on this side. See, it's not quite as shiny as this side. You won't be able to see it. New floor pans, welded in. Fixed all the marks we could find. That way we can paint it satin black again. Trunk solid, just need to repaint it again. I've got some before pictures to show you how, well there you go. See, I didn't paint that one. It was about like that all over in here. See, this one's been sanded, been painted, so it's kind of almost a mirrored finish, sort of. It's better than rust, and it'll last now. Garage is clean now. Plenty of room for 3 cars. And still can walk around. Alright, they're both jacked up, no wheels or anything on. This one I'm putting disc brakes on. So we got everything off, put new control arms on. You can see they're new. So it's gonna have power brakes, new booster, new disc brakes, all that. I've already put in power steering, put in the new control arms. So all the front steering is new now. Like I said, Edelbrock cleaner, valve covers, chrome alternator bracket, chrome fan. Got to get a new battery. I just don't like the way that one looks. And there's the new control arms, heavy duty control arms. They'll go in there. I'll paint and clean in there. You can see where I was cleaning some, repaint all that. Table and vise. Let's see, and then I don't think you can see in here any. It's ready to be sanded down, paint it, put some new thing, trim in it, and then put the carpet and seats and everything back in. Daddy's still the same, looks good. Just needs to be cleaned, put the carpet back in. His, we put new control arms in, but he's not going to do disc brakes now. I bought him his control arms and everything for Christmas. Bam. You can't really see his control arms in here a little bit. His have a gold tint, unfortunately. It's just but I installed some more lights. I just hung them up tonight. So it really brightens it up in here. So then in the morning with the heater on and everything, it makes it real nice. Another LED light. But yeah, it's coming along. On the Nova, I'm going, like I said, so we'll put the front disc brakes in this week when they come in. I've already got new emblems, or they're already here, 350 emblems, the Nova emblems, or the original ones. Headlight bezels, stuff like that. I got to get the seats recovered. You can see they're blue. Need them to be black. Found Daddy some rally wheels on Craigslist. Well, there you go. Original rally wheels, come off a 62 Impala. Guy didn't even know what he had, $250 for all the rims and the tires. Within 3 hours, I called him and we went and met him the following morning, so. But it's coming along.